Hi guys, welcome to today's video. What are we doing? We are going on a nature scavenger hunt, aren't we? So to prepare for this, all I do is I have the iPad, we're in our wagon, we're out for a walk, and I got bags here, and as we find things, we're not finding dinosaurs right now, Luke. We're finding things in nature. And we found one here. What is it, Sophie?
It's a gumball thing that falls from a tree.
You're right. So it comes off of a tree, and gumball's not in here. So we're just going to go spell it. We found a gumball. We found a gumball. All right. So now we are going to go walk some more. And see what we can find. Okay, so we just found another object, didn't we? What did we find?
A dandelion.
We did. We found something in nature on our nature walk. We found a flower on our nature walk, a dandelion. Should we go find more? All right, let's go and find some more. Okay, we just found another item, didn't we? Luke. What did we find?
Stick.
We did. We're going to go to groups in nature. And we found a
jungle.
Not a jungle. A stick. We found a stick to add to our nature scavenger hunt.
A jungle.
You like the jungle. There are sticks on trees in the jungle. Or on the ground, I guess. Right. Okay. I think we should go. Yeah, go find more nature items.
No.
We should. What do you want to say, bud?
Jungle.
Oh, elephants in the jungle. I don't think we'll see elephants. We're in Illinois. All right, so here's just an example of how you could provide aided language input while going on a nature scavenger hunt. Super easy activity. You just find things along your walk and you can put them in bags. And you can model pronouns, verbs of going, find, get, and put, as well as question words, and then going into the groups and labeling the noun. So there is an example of how to provide aided language input and incorporate the child's communication system into a fun scavenger hunt while you're out and about. Thanks for watching. Please comment and subscribe below.